What's up guys, my name is Tristan. This is At One Channel AZ. This is my 981 Porsche Boxster. It's a 2015. I've done a lot of modifications to this car. I ended up doing a full LED high and low beam for the headlights. I ended up doing a Techart front lip, as well as a Porsche stripe down the hood as well. I then ended up going along getting the Oled side pieces. I ended up painting my brake calipers yellow as well. These are the special operations black wheel upgrade through Porsche that you can have done as well. I think they're called the Carrera S wheels, if I remember correctly, in the brochure that I have. I ended up going along and getting a set of Techart side diffusers, as well as some carbon vent pieces as well. One other aspect that I ended up getting this car for was this piece. I think this car looks terrible without that. That piece right there needs to be painted, and it just completely brings the car completely together. I ended up putting a set of 275s on the back as well as a set of 245s on the front. I ended up coming along and putting a set of GTS taillights, in which I ended up buffing them out as well. I ended up getting the GT4 spider rear spoiler, a GT4 diffuser, a sold titanium exhaust as well. I have 15mm spacers in the back. I have some for the front. They are not installed at the moment, as well as an H&R kit for the car. Has a majority of the kit on it already, but I just haven't installed the springs due to the nature that I'm going on a road trip this summer, and I don't want the car to be any lower than what it is. I've done a lot of work to this car, as well as a lot of customization. A lot of people think it's a much more expensive car than it is. The MSRP on this car was actually $82,000, which is pretty high considering it's not a GTS. And then for the interior, got the special operations full interior blue from the factory. I went through and put the carbon pieces for the doors, as well as some had blue little vent things, but they ended up turning silver. But the other thing I did, I put a full carbon console, which turned out incredible. I added the blue pieces around the cluster as well. Really nice car. I even made myself a custom key. But it's a really cool car. For a lot of people who don't know, it is mid-May 2024, and I put 37,000 miles on this car in less than 2 years, and have not had one single issue. I love this car. I drove this car last year through 7 states. Over the summer, I took it camping, everything you could think of. I love this car. I couldn't imagine with anything else. The answer is always Miata and Porsche, and I've owned both of those, as well as a Ferrari and other things. But anyways, that's my car, and I hope you guys like it.